Today, I'm going to show you how to record your artwork directly inside Krita and then export it as a video ready for social media. This is a really useful workflow if you want to turn your drawing process into a time-lapse, a short-form video, or a clean export for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or X. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more software guides just like this. All right, let's start inside Krita. The first thing you need to do is enable the Recorder Docker. At the top of Krita, go to Settings, then Dockers, and look for Recorder. Click it, and the Recorder panel should appear on your screen, usually docked on the right side. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just check the Dockers menu again and make sure Recorder is turned on. Once the Recorder panel is open, you'll want to set up the recording before you start drawing. The first option is the Record directory. This is where Krita will save all of your captured snapshots, so click the folder icon and choose a location on your computer that you can easily find later. It's a good idea to make a dedicated folder for each project so your files stay organized. Next, turn on Auto Record. This is the key setting that makes the whole process work. When Auto Record is checked, Krita will automatically capture your canvas every time you use a brush. That means you can keep drawing normally, and Krita will quietly record the process in the background. You don't need to manually take screenshots or stop and start recording every few seconds. You'll also see Capture Interval. In most cases, the default setting is perfectly fine, especially if you want a smooth-looking progression. But if you want more detailed frames, or if you want to reduce the number of captured images, you can adjust it. A shorter interval gives you more frames, while a longer interval gives you fewer. For most users, leaving it on the default is the easiest option. Now continue drawing as usual. Krita will keep capturing your canvas while you paint, sketch, and add details. This is great for creating process videos, speed paints, and social media clips, because you get a clean record of your work without needing to edit every frame manually. Just remember one very important limitation. The recorder only captures your canvas. It does not record the menus, your brush list, or your cursor movements. So if you want viewers to see the full interface, the tools you're using, or your on-screen clicks, the best option is to use an external screen recorder like OBS Studio instead. When your artwork is finished, the next step is to export the snapshots into an actual video file. Krita uses FFmpeg for this. In many newer versions of Krita, especially 5.2 and above, FFmpeg may already be included. If Krita asks for it or doesn't detect it automatically, you can download FFmpeg from ffmpeg.org and then point Krita to the FFmpeg executable in the export window. To export, go back to the Recorder panel and choose the Export option. In the export settings, select MP4 using X264 if that option is available. That format is one of the best choices for social media because it's widely supported and gives you solid quality in a manageable file size. Then choose your resolution based on the platform you're posting to. For YouTube or X, 1920 by 1080 is a great horizontal format. If you're making content for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, use 1080 by 1920 for a vertical layout. For Instagram posts, square or portrait options like 1080 by 1350 can also work really well. After you've checked your settings, click Export and wait for Krita to stitch everything together into a finished video. Depending on how many snapshots you captured, this may take a little time, but once it's done, you'll have a ready-to-upload video of your drawing process. From there, you can upload it to the platform of your choice and add your title, description, tags, and thumbnail just like any other video. If you want the cleanest result, it's always a good idea to do a quick preview first and make sure the motion looks smooth and the framing is correct for the platform you're targeting. So that's the full process for recording directly from Krita and exporting your artwork for social media. First, enable the Recorder Docker, then set your record folder, turn on Auto Record, adjust your capture interval if needed, and finally export through FFmpeg in the right format and resolution for your platform. If this guide helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.